Right, welcome to Bespoke Flooring Solutions Limited in London, another commercial kitchen with cup and cove fitting. Right, let's have a look from the beginning. This is all the manhole. We had to cover it with the expansion strip and made a hole so they can get an access, and we had to weld all the miters as well. That was the first time we did that because there's a lot of water dripping, so they said weld everything, and when we need an access we will cut it, get the access, and then you can come back and re-weld it. So a bit of bonus there for us. And this is the other manhole that we had to weld every single miter, and this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Way too many manholes to do here. It's all repair work. And now this is the new kitchen. They have done a lot of refurbishment here. A bit of miter in the nosing there. Big massive commercial kitchen in central London, and we used Bostik double-sided tape, and it was Altro Stronghold. As you can see, we had to fit vinyl around the grill drainage. It was an absolutely hard work, and we did all the preparation, and it took us 3 days to finish this kitchen. And it's looking rather nice. The clients were very happy. On the left hand side here we've got some unit going in there, and very weird shape kitchen, and very tight as well, especially when it comes to Altro Stronghold vinyl, you know, doing all the welding and the app stand and working around the grill drainage. As you can see, we had to work around the existing unit underneath. It was very awkward and hot as well, so we had 2-3 fans going on and to keep us cool. And let's have a look one of the corner how we installed it. And there it is. This is one of the corner, external corner. It's very nice and easy to use double-sided tape. We used to use F60. That was very hazardous to the health, and we had no choice but using it. Now we have so much freedom, we can use double-sided tape, so the bosses can't force us to use F60. This is our own job, and we have the freedom, and we always take care of ourselves and abide by health and safety rules, which is really good for everyone. And there we go, one corner, and it's the last corner that we're doing. With Altro Stronghold, you need to have a sharp blade all the time. It's not that easy to install vinyl when it comes to Altro Stronghold. And it was 2 of us. It was a nice job, and it was well done. There we go, last corner, happy days. Do the welding and job done. This is the nosing we had to do. We had to do that little landing there as well, and the hallway. Too many manholes in this brand new kitchen as well. Too many grill drainage. As you can see, we had to go around them, and the result was really great. Everyone was happy, especially the client. I know it was like a little footpath and walkway of 1 meter wide, so I had to drop them all in short width, like 2 meter, rather than long drop. And we're really glad that we got this job done and dusted. So if you ever have any commercial kitchen, call Bespoke Flooring Solutions, and we will get it all done for you. Great job, great project, and hope you guys doing well as well. And this is it, we're done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much, and good luck with everything you do. This is it, beautiful job. We will do another one soon, and there will be more video. Don't forget Bespoke Flooring Solutions Limited. Bye bye.